The category of sandwiches is much more than the familiar 2 slices of bread with some spread in the middle. They can now include wraps and pocket sandwiches, replacing sliced bread with pita bread, corn and whole wheat tortillas, and baked crusts. Pocket sandwiches are different than wraps in that they usually have an open side like a falafel pita, filled with chickpeas and vegetables. They still contain some form of protein, vegetables, spreads or salads, or any combination of these. Our example of a pocket sandwich is a vegetable stromboli. When designing your sandwich, always use fresh products, looking for exciting flavors, and use whole grain breads. Sandwich assembly sometimes needs a large work area. Be absolutely sure all your work surfaces are cleaned and sanitized. The key to sandwich assembly is organization. Plan ahead and have all your vegetables or greens cut to size. This sandwich opens the way for a host of healthy ingredients. Prepare the dough by first mixing the water and yeast together and then let it stand for 4 to 5 minutes. Mix the flour and the other ingredients in a bowl at medium speed. Knead the dough and shape it into balls. Follow the recipe to portion out the dough. Set this aside to rest and rise. Combine the herbs together in a small bowl. Steam all the vegetables, except for the tomatoes, for 3 minutes. Add the tomatoes and set this aside while you roll out the dough. Lightly dust the surface with flour and roll out the dough into a rectangular shape. Place this on a layer of parchment paper to help move the stromboli to a sheet tray. Down the center of the dough, first add a layer of cheese and then some herb seasoning. Then add a layer of vegetables. Fold over a layer of the dough and repeat the sequence of ingredients. Now fold over the opposite layer of dough to cover the top of the ingredients. Pinch the edge together. Place this on a sheet tray and let the dough rise. Bake in an oven at 400 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. If a convection oven cooks unevenly, rotate the pans halfway through the cooking time. Once baked, allow it to rest for 15 minutes before cutting. Place the sliced stromboli in a steam table pan and serve immediately. Be sure to follow the recommendations on the recipe for proper critical control point holding temperatures.